Hey, gang. I just wanted to take a moment because a lot of people don't see what goes on behind the scenes, and a lot of times people don't understand how they got there. So, we goof around a lot. Michael Robilio, okay? From the studio. Michael actually made the studio happen, and it's going to be a great, great thing. What I'd like to do right now is just ask you one simple question.
Okay.
How did you get where you are today in marine electronics? Where did you start from?
It was a really long time ago, but I started working in a marina doing bottom painting and hull waxing.
You painted bottoms?
I did. And so I eventually moved into the department where we were installing electronics on the boats that were being sold in this marina. Mm-hmm. And then I did that for, I think, 3 or 4 years. And then I decided I wanted to be a captain. So I got my captain's license.
I didn't know that either.
Yeah. I got my captain's license, ran around the Bahamas for a few years, did some deliveries and things. And then decided I didn't want to do that either. Uh-huh. And I wanted to go back to having a company to do electronic installation on yachts.
So electronics is actually, you keep going back to it as your love.
Yes.
You dig it.
Yes, it's kind of fun.
You're one of those guys that are like, hey, look at this new piece of equipment.
Yes.
That is amazing. So you were actually running boats, you were waxing boats, you were painting bottoms, and you built this all yourself, right?
Yes, sure did.
And what's the key? I just find it, I'll be honest, this is no BS. You run a happy company. You do. I don't know if that's from the way the top runs down. I don't know if it's your management style, but when you come into Concord, everybody's smiling. I mean, do you have buzzers where you zap them if they're not? I don't.
They're all wearing a collar.
Whatever you're doing is great, but I mean, I guess because you love what you do. Right?
Yes, yeah, and that happiness doesn't happen overnight. We do a lot as a team, and we do a lot of things together to foster that kind of a relationship where everybody gets along. Mm-hmm. It doesn't just happen.
Oh, I know. Your employees, they don't leave.
No.
I mean, one day your brother, I don't know what's going to... No, you come here, you see the same faces. So, last question. How long have you been doing this?
Well, it was 1988 when I incorporated Concord.
Wow. So
working out of the trunk of my '67 Mustang.
You're kidding.
No.
You were, your office was the trunk of a '67 Mustang?
Yes, it was.
Did you have metal signs on the side?
No, I wouldn't do that to it. But.
And then so you went from there to all this. Congratulations. I mean, that's nothing but hard work and determination. And I think most importantly, doing what you love.
Yeah, I have to say I do enjoy.
I can tell.
I do enjoy what I do, and the team that I have is absolutely fantastic, and I'm lucky to have every one of them.
You guys are looking at something that nobody knows about, and you need to know that about this company because it's the real deal. I mean, I really appreciate you opening up.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think that was really great. God, a Mustang and a co-captain
yeah.
and painting bottoms? You're never going to live this down.
No. Wait. Last thing. Yeah. My friends at the time used to call me No Pride Marine. I would do anything.
Really?
Yes.
No Pride Marine.
No Pride Marine.
I know you get in the trenches. I know you.
Yeah.
You'll see him at boat shows. He's walking the docks. You're not one of those guys that sits in an ivory tower.
No,
not at all. All right, that's a really cool story. I really appreciate it.
All right, I'm glad we could share.
All right, guys. Till next time.